sorry.
After the yellow one.
Time to shine, go!
Parang mas lumalim na naman. Parang buntot lang yun sa akin ah. Dito ka lang mabasa. Para di matula.
Another strike we need.
Fish on!
Ay, angat.
Drop,
AJ bro.
A&A tackles!
Another strike.
Ha?
Drop.
AJ pre, AJ.
Rotate.
AJ?
Pangat na.
Wait.
Kung hindi AJ 15 kg na tuna.
Hindi ko pa naman ramdam, medyo ano lang eh. Mga nasa 7 lang.
7 palapag yan.
Nasa 7 lang, 7 isda pa na magkakakamit. Pamilya pala, puta na, dali.
Tapos magkakaiba pa yung langoy yun.
Sinama pa yung bahay.
Pre, huwag kang magsalita. Mapapagod ako. Sigurado.
Save energy.
G ngayon, alam mo na.
Oh yan. Sabi ko na nga ba.
Fishing.
Up.
Sabi ko na nga ba JJ eh. Papagod na naman ako pag nag-joke eh.
Baka mapusin ka.
Napagod kami sa deep sea pare, bakit?
JJ.
Problem this jig 130 gram. How will reach the bottom?
130? Fish on!
You want heavier jigs, Captain?
No, I have.
I know you have. All have.
Parang shark.
All models.
Hmm.
Branded models. Ano?
Feels like shark. Hmm. Fighting.
No. This one not sharp.
Tuna
It's coming up now. Now it will fight. Bro.
Now you will see. Just wait, you will see. Diba? Hindi na ako nag-drop eh. Kundi,
See how it's rounding?
kundi lines up agad ako. Tuna yun,
Tuna.
Wala?
Baba mo lang, rin-rin lang.
Kumano eh.
Oo, tuna.
Rounding, see?
Tuna boy!
Tuna boy. Nakangiti si parang Rodel, oh.
Siyempre.
Hindi na siya. Parang Uda King.
AJ King pa din yan. Ay, hindi, Prince lang pala.
But why you retrieving like my grandma?
Like,
Because of JJ. Hindi joking.
I'm not here.
Okay. Kalas.
Captain is using high gear.
Now heavy, huh?
Oo.
Now you will see.
You have to load it before I reach the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, you have 1 minute.
How many minutes?
No. See.
Sa minute!
Kaldi, Habibi!
Besogo team!
Ah, is here.
Ayun. Yan na, nasibabaw na. Tuna!
May sumusunod ah. Too much coming ha? Too much coming.
Oh, yeah.
See? Oh,
Lemon!
No, somebody.
somebody following. Oh, too much oh. See? Dami, drop kayo.
Kaso, baka sumapit sa'yo.
Sticky fish there follow.
Angat mo muna sa'yo. Or
Tiki
mahi.
fish?
Mahi.
Mahi!
Mahi, guys!
Mahi!
Mahi!
Kasmo, pre. Yung maliit na ano. Kaya lang paano ko?
Cast your jig! Throw the jig like this.
Ah, dali.
Dito.
Just cast!
Lumalim.
Cast your jig!
Wait, tatama sa ilalim ng bangka pa.
Where you drop?
Sorry, hindi ko napansin.
Nako,
Mahi, would you?
Okay, yan. Ayun, ang galing!
Thank you.
Yung list pre.
Thank you, Mark.
Cellphone. Some picture.
Fish zone.
You a very, very big fight.
Ito pa.
First try.
Master Lance.
Bumbo.
Alright.
Sean! Thank you!
Let's see.